Now, si Ray Joseph Galang has a question. Hi, Miss Chris. My question is, how to unlove someone? That's a difficult question to answer because pati ako hindi ko rin alam sagutin ang how to unlove someone because I never tried to unlove anyone. Maybe I tried to forget, but not to unlove. So, my dear Ray Joseph, wag mo na lang i-unlove. Wag mo na lang i-unlove. Mahalin mo pa rin because that's who you are. That's who we are. We are love. Siguro, ang baguhin natin is, wag ka na lang umasa na mahalin ka rin the way you love. Kasi minsan, mahal na mahal mo siya, 'di ba? Tapos hindi ka niya minahal pabalik. Hindi niya ako minahal pabalik. Kailangan i-unlove ko na siya. I don't want to love this person anymore. Huwag mo na lang i-unlove. Siguro what we can do is not to expect na our love will be matched or our love will be reciprocated. Because, yeah, that's also what I try to do na hindi kailangan i-unlove ang tao na kahit na nga, sabi nga 'di ba sa Bible, love your enemies. Ba't kaya sinabi ni Jesus 'yun? Siguro to teach us na 'wag mo lang mahalin yung mga taong mabait sa'yo or mahal ka, 'di ba? So, let's just love. Let's just love without expecting that we be loved back in return.